started unboxing this, and it occurred to me to make a video after I was already done. But I ended up getting one of these Amazon Chinese.
It's not racist at all, no, not at all. It comes from China. That's why. It comes from China. I want to be accurate.
Apple CarPlay head units, MP5. I didn't realize there was MP5. What it came with was a little faceplate. I'm not sure what this remote does because it came with this remote with the harnesses. So we'll see what that does. Comes with the backup camera and 2 brackets for it as well. The head unit itself is like, I mean, it's pretty cheap. I mean, that's not ever a good sign. But we'll see how it sounds. So this is the head unit that I'll be replacing. I mean, that looks like it'll be a pretty perfect fit. I don't have it all the way over there, but it's gonna be a little close. We'll see. I'm gonna pull the dash off and get some tools, and I'll be back. So to remove the dash, you just pull on the tabs, break it, but just get up underneath it a little bit. And then you're gonna have to put it down in first. And wiggle it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to drop the steering wheel too. Gotta drop the steering wheel. And it should come right out. And turn on your hazard lights. Alright, so put that back in park. And now I need to get what looks like, oh, my camera holder is not good, Mr. George. It's like 8mm, sorry, 8mm. Let me get those and get that off. These mosquitoes are killer. It's also a good idea to take one of the battery terminals off too, you know, kill the power. I need to start a GoFundMe, bro, because camera parts and hunting stuff is expensive. And car parts, God. I used to make fun of people for doing the OnlyFans, but I get it, bro. It's hard out here. My thing won't even stand up, bro. Y'all thought I was kidding, bro. This thing's looser than your mom.
What you say about my mama? Huh?
And this thing broke off because it's some cheap shit. Come on, man. I'm sorry about the angle. It's just broken. It's just how life is. Guess the size. That's what she said. Literally the one that I said it wasn't, it is. 5/16, if anybody wanted that. Back to your regular scheduled program. Nope, couldn't be. Couldn't be. For anybody wondering, it's a 932. I ain't ever, and I mean ever, I ain't ever used that before in my life. You know, I don't know where my keys are. Alright, so I don't know if traditionally you're supposed to have 4 or just 2. But I had 2, and I'm gonna save those and reuse them because I'm a cheap bastard. God, please don't let there be like some sort of funky ass rat's nest going on back here. Please let this be like stock wiring. Who am I kidding? It's asking too much. Probably fucked up from stock. Come on. Come on out of there, you bitch. Okay. Well, this would be the antenna. And then this is a clip. It wouldn't be a YouTube video if I didn't have to stop and YouTube how to do it. It wouldn't be proper. It just wouldn't be right. So I got orange. Ooh, my back cracked. Key. I'm gonna hook them all up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8. Now this motherfucker, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a bunch. What the fuck is this? This is old. Somebody had an amp in here at one point in time. That's why I hate doing this kind of shit, because you find somebody else's fucked up shit that they did, and now I gotta unfuck it. Hey, on another note, my truck's name is Peggy D, and she was made March 15th, 2005. Peggy D. That's fucking dope. Everybody wants to know what the name of the truck is? There you go, Peggy D. Come on, Peggy. I gotta sell some propane and propane accessories. Kind of matches the fucking, you know, somebody. I feel like somebody named Peggy would put this kind of shit in their fucking truck. So yeah, cool. Fucking Peggy.
Peggy's in the parking lot. She looks disgruntled.
Man, bitch. Alright, so I got orange. Okay. And then I've got, I don't know what the fuck these two colors are here. Alright. I got yellow. Brown, I guess it's brown. Okay. Black. Okay, blue. And then green. 2 greens. 2 blues. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot, that's why. Dumbass. The other wires are for this. Oh, fuck. These don't match that. Not at all. All right, so on the fat ones, I've got orange, I've got yellow, brown, so I have 2 blues though. Which is accessories. All right, I gotta YouTube this. All right, after countless fucking days of YouTubing and Googling stuff, I finally figured it out. A lot of people were talking about running a wire from over here across the dash into your 10 amp fuse. It didn't work. What worked for me was tapping into this brown wire for your AC connector, and then that gives this the 12 volts that it needs. I'm done with this for right now, and I will wire it up tomorrow, and I'll see y'all then. All right, so picking up where I left off last night, it's time to wire in this harness and make sure everything works the way that it needs to. I believe it's gonna work, so we're just gonna do the damn thing and see what happens. Oh, I gotta get this backup camera wire too wired up really quick. I'm not running this today. I'm just getting it wired up so it's ready to go. Oh, it looks like I have no choice. I gotta take that back. I guess I am running this today. Son of a bitch. This is when stuff gets fun. Okay. And I will fucking run this later. Right now, it's more important about the radio. It's the 4th of July. I want to take my boat out. I want to take my truck out. But my truck ain't got no radio. Who the fuck wants to take that out? Nobody. That's who. Damn, my shit broke. Can't have nothing nice around this motherfucker. Now what I like to do is just twist my wires to the right, make them look nice and neat. Make sure you're getting as good of a connection as possible. So we're only going to be using these 3 wires. And go ahead and cut this one because we don't need it. I got to strip this pink one for the backup camera. Now we want to connect the red AC to our red wire that we plugged into the AC light last night. Make sure that's got a good crimp all the way through. Good connection is what we want. We don't want no bad connections. I don't have a lighter on me to melt that, so I need to go get a lighter and do that before the end of all of this. But I'll just click everything else on here. Next, we're gonna do the power. Good connection. Yellow wire for the battery power to the head unit. Now what's gonna suck is I want to install an amp in here, and I don't know if I can attach any of these 3 wires that I'm not using to power the amp, or if I'm gonna have to plug it in, you know, do like a splice, a 3-way splice into this yellow and constant 12 volt, because that kind of sketches me out. That doesn't seem like that would be safe, but I don't know. I'm not a fucking expert. Do not copy me by any means. What I am doing is probably not right. And I really don't want to burn anyone else's vehicle down. My vehicle is whatever, because I'm an idiot, but do not follow what I do. If it helps you and it works, okay? But I'm no means saying that this is the way to do it, because this is not the way to do it. Let's hook our ground up. Let's take a little bit off of that. It's a little too much. All right, now what I'm gonna do is make sure that all this works before I fucking seal the deal and put it all back together. So what we want is we want this head unit to come on as soon as I turn the key on. I'll be damned. Now I don't have the speakers or anything hooked up yet. I'll do that in a second. But she works. She works. All right, cool. Make sure it shuts off. Nice. All right. Unplug this harness. And now we'll move on to the speakers, which I have everything written down on this box. I had to find a diagram. I had to find a diagram online. It looks like gibberish, but left front speaker, positive tan, negative gray. Right front, little light green, dark green. Left rear, positive, all that good stuff. So hopefully what I found was right. If not, we about to find out. All right, moment of truth. Alright, so it works. I just gotta fucking butt everything up. Yeah. Dude, that just scared the shit out of me. Wire up this backup camera and plug it in, and then we'll put all this stuff back together. I'll put the bracket on the radio and Be done. God, this one does not like coming out. There we go. Fuck. Special angle or some shit. The manual says reverse video input, which appears to be this one that says camera in. All right, so I assume that's that. All right, so let's start putting this stuff away, packing it in. I see, said the blind man. So I'm gonna have to do some custom shit, get rid of these. Which ain't no big deal. I don't know if I can do it with these now. Stay tuned, I'll be back with another tool. Alright, already did the one side, so let's do that side. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Got the old razor knife here. Some wires out of the way. Trim off that extra. Try not to break your dash along the way. Let's see if this thing will fit on there. Make that up. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It doesn't fit. Why would it? Well, today is about making it happen. So I'm making it happen. after, sorry about the angle again, this damn thing's broken. After messing with it and getting it in position, I think I've somewhat got it figured out. This is always the fun part, putting the dash back in. Come on, Peggy D. Work with me, girl, work with me. Alright, let me figure out this. Over here. See what's happening. See what's happening. What's not happening. Don't like that angle, boss. That's the issue. There we go. That was the issue. It didn't like the angle. Okay. Sorry, the camera's all messed up, but that don't look too bad. I'm gonna see if I can pop the trim ring on there and see what it looks like with that on there. Because, you know, that might look good. I'm sorry, I'm taking this thing off. I'm gonna set you guys up a little differently. Don't know if it'll work, honestly, but bear with me. Alright, so I fell asleep earlier and didn't finish the video. It's like 10 o'clock, 4th of July. Let's show you what we got. So everything works as it should. What I'm gonna do now is run the camera wire and mount that, and it's gonna be hard to really do this at nighttime and hold the camera. So I'll kind of do that and then show you guys what I got afterwards. So stick around. All right, so what I ended up doing was taking the paneling off here and here, pulling the rug back. And there's a grommet underneath there, right there. And I ran the wire all the way down the frame, all the way underneath there. Tried to hide it as nice as possible. And then up into the bottom of the taillight, which I need to finish buttoning up. And what I did here was the power wire goes to the green, black goes to the ground on the reverse light. And I'm gonna put all this back together and show you what it looks like. All right, so this ended up being the final product. This is where I mounted it to. That's what it looks like on the inside. Not too bad.